Just got to the collection. They got a drive. They're doing 2 tortilla flats out here in Arizona. It's car week out here, and there's a lot of car events. And this is my car channel, Muscle Up. So make sure you guys subscribe, like, share the channel, and yeah, man, let's roll. We got a large turnout here. There's a lot of cars, a lot of Porsches over here. AMG GT, Corvette, Ferrari with a custom kit on it. A lot of carbon fiber accents. This is pretty cool. Check out this. What's up, man?
What up?
Yeah, check out this yellow interior. Oh, this is interesting. Yeah, it's nice, man. That's pretty sick. Never seen this kid on a Ferrari.
But Wednesday is gonna be sick.
This is my buddy Mike's 190. This thing is cherry right here. Clean 190. I love these body styles. You don't see a whole lot of these on the road. And in this condition, his is mint. I'm gonna do another interview with him just about this car, but this is a super clean 190. Got a couple BMWs over here. I love this blue color. This blue, which I think is a BMW blue, and then you have this like a teal, which is pretty sick. Both of these cars are really spec'd well and got nice stances on them, and look like they're about their business for all you BMW guys out there. A couple nice BMWs. You got a Diablo going on the drive. Check out this Diablo. Classic Lambo. One of my favorite Lambos right here. Oh, it's a beautiful blue. Look at this. Yeah, data shifter. Tight fit. Diablo VT Roadster. Badass car. I don't fit in them very well though. So this was the first real drive I took the Porsche on that had curves and turns and ups and downs and corners, and it was a lot of fun. The car drove well, it didn't overheat, didn't have any issues with it, and I was really impressed. And I have to give a shout out to Cooper Automotive, my mechanics, for doing their thing on the car. The Tortilla Flats drive is a nice drive. It's very scenic, and you see some really cool backdrops. There's some old towns you drive by, and there's hills and mountains and rocks, and it's just it's a nice drive. It's a beautiful drive. I haven't really driven a lot of places in Arizona outside of maybe Cave Creek, and we drove to Prescott once, but they have some really nice drives out here, and I look forward to going on more drives with this new group of car people. Everybody seemed really nice. Everybody talked and introduced themselves, and it was a lot of fun. Tortilla Flats, I've heard about it for a while since I've been living out here. just never had a car to really take on the drive. So it was cool being able to go on this drive in a car that I've been working on for a long time and can finally enjoy. So that's all part of, you know, being in the car community, being able to, you know, take your car out on a drive and enjoy it and meet new people, have something to talk about, and that's what I really enjoy. So this was fun. Like I said, there's going to be a lot more drives in the future, and I look forward to taking my other cars on some cool drives. But right now, the Porsche is doing its thing. I can't complain, and this was definitely a fun drive. Take a look at that view right there. Isn't that a beautiful view? I mean, look at those mountains. Look at that water down there. I mean, that amazing lake. These canyon roads are spectacular to drive on, and you never get tired of looking at the views. It's such a scenic route, and lots of great places to pull over and take pictures. This is very enjoyable. I'm glad I got to go with this group of car guys and check out Tortilla Flats. If you're ever in AZ, it's one of the go-to drives, and you won't be disappointed. The Tortilla Flats run. There's some beautiful scenery on the way. Never knew Arizona had such beautiful scenery and so many lakes and beautiful mountains. Hope you enjoyed the video. Hit that like, hit that subscribe button. Muscle up. Go to BigHurtNow16.com to pick up a limited edition GTA poster signed by me for $10, or with your purchase of a Wig Splitter Porsche t-shirt,
I'll throw in a free poster.
Popos are
sign.
coming. I gotta hurry up and wash my ass. Go to BigKirk916.com, pick you up a bar of soap, and wash your ass, or else you're gonna be under arrest too. Oh shit.